So, by way of background, there are six different types of British nationality, but only British citizenship grants the right of abode, so the right to live in the UK. Now, BNO citizenship was a status that was granted to British overseas territories by connection with Hong Kong, who voluntarily registered for this nationality prior to 1st of July 1997. So currently there is an estimated 2.9 million BNO citizens. It is not a citizenship that is possible to pass on to children. So as time progresses, the number of individuals holding the BNO citizenship will dwindle as time goes on. So as we mentioned, at the end of the application process, when you've submitted the form, paid the fees, then you'll have the opportunity to upload the supporting documentation. And I'll go through the type of documentation you require for each stage of the eligibility requirements earlier on. So as evidence of residence, like I mentioned, you would have to show that your permanent home is in Hong Kong if you're applying from overseas, or if you are applying in the UK, evidence that you hold long-term UK immigration permission, so not simply applying as a visitor. Dependents must also show that they have the same home address as the BNO citizen, except for, as I mentioned earlier, unless the BNO citizen has already moved to the UK and the dependents are applying, are the partner or the child under 18. But in most circumstances, individuals under this category would apply for settlement, as I mentioned earlier, which is also called indefinitely to remain, ILR for short, or permanent residence. And like I said, they can apply after 5 years of holding the BNO/dependent visa. Now, the requirements for settlement for adults is that they must meet a residence requirement. And that means that they must not be outside of the UK for more than 180 days in any 12-month period during the 5 years.